Hey guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, they are asking you to compute, check whether the company is under distress or not, or whether the company is sick or bankrupt. So the details of the balance sheet of a company has been given. So let's check the details of the balance. Let's check the particulars of balance sheet. So share capital 2 lakh. Substance surplus 60,000, 10% debentures 3 lakh, sundry creditors 80,000, outstanding expenses 60,000. Then we have fixed asset as rupees 4 lakh 20,000, inventories 1 lakh 80,000, book debts 70,000, and loans and advances 20,000, cash in hand 10,000, and the total is 7 lakhs each. Market value per share is 12.5 and operating profit is 20% on sale, which is 1,40,000. Then we can go for the solution. So as per the ALTMANS risk prediction model of 1968, the formula of set score is 1.2 into x1 plus 1.4 into x2 plus 3.3 into x3 plus 0.06 into x4 plus 1 into x5. So let's check what are x1 to x5. So x1 is working capital divided by total asset, which is 1,40,000 divided by 7 lakh, which will give 0.2, and x2, which is retained earnings divided by total asset, which is 60,000 divided by 7 lakh, gives 0.0857. And then we have x3, that retained earnings divided by total asset, 1,40,000 divided by 70,000, which gives 0.2, and x4, market value of equity divided by book value of debt, 2,50,000 divided by 4,40,000, which gives 0.563, and then sales divided by total asset, 7 lakh divided by 7 lakh, which gives 1. And when we substitute the four ratios into the formula, we will get 1.2 into 0.2 plus 1.4 into 0.0857 plus 3.3 into 0.2, 0.6 into 0.56, and 1 into 1. And when we take, we will get the total of 2.30 to 3078. So when we check this thing with the criteria, if the set score is less than 1.8, then it is bankrupt. If the set score is between 1.81 to 2.9, then it is in the gray zone, which is most likely to be bankrupt. If the set score is more than 2.99, then the company is in safe zone. So as we discussed, we have the set score of 2.36, which is between 1.8 to 2.99. So the company is in gray. So we can say that the company is not under distress. There is a probability of 50-50 chance. So we need to if we need to go for further investigation to check whether the company is in distress or not. So after that, we can check the working notes. So first we will check how to compute working capital. So here working capital is current asset minus current liability. So we have current asset as inventory, book debt, long assets plus cash in hand, cash at bank, minus current liabilities, sundry creditors plus outstanding expenses. So the final amount will be 1,40,000. Then we have total asset. Total asset is equal to fixed asset plus current asset, 4,20,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 70 plus 20 plus 10. That is inventory, book debt, loans and advances, and cash in hand. Together constitute 7 lakh. Retained earnings is 60,000, which is reserve and surplus. EBIT, which is operating profit, which is 1,40,000. Market value of equity is 20,000 shares into 12.5, which is given in the question, which is 2,50,000. Book value of debt is long-term debt plus current liabilities, which is 10% debentures plus sundry creditors and outstanding expenses. constitute 4,40,000. Now we will calculate sales. So sales as given in the question is 20%. Operating profit is 20% of sales, so which is 1,40,000. Therefore 1,40,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 20 will give 7 lakh. So guys, I think you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.